Hello viewers, I have some good news for you. The good news is now our companion app is available on Google Play Store. All you have to do is open your Google Play Store, search for ECZ GCSE Exams. Once you do that, you're going to see the app pop up, then just click install. What are you going to find in this app? You find all the subjects by topic, by past papers, and by general revision. If you are struggling with a specific topic, this app is the best for you because it helps you to practice on a specific topic and get detailed explanation to the answers in that particular quiz. For example, you have a question like, which of the following is not reactive? We've got option A, phosphorus, B, sulfur, C, chlorine, D, argon. We know that argon is a non-reactive element. So you're going to see an explanation like this, which is detailed explanation giving you the reason why each of the answers is correct. This helps you to assess your level of understanding, your level of preparedness to take the exam. What else can you find on this app? You're going to find videos by past papers, videos by topic to help you cement your level of understanding. These videos are also found on YouTube. The difference is in this app, they are well organized to help you navigate easily and cement your level of understanding on a particular topic. You're also going to find past papers to help you know how questions comes and answers. So, why don't you head to Google Play Store and install your perfect stud companion to ace your secondary exams?